Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope you're also fine. I'm your English teacher. Now I start a first chapter of this English book for class 3. Open book page number 2. First chapter is Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. First of all, I'm telling about the title, introduction of title. Okay, Dorothy Meets the Scarecrow. This story is based on three main characters. Dorothy. First is Dorothy. Second is Scarecrow, and third one is her dog, and her dog name is Toto. From this picture, we see the Scarecrow, a little girl named Dorothy, and her pet. Her pet name is Toto. Here we also see a field of crops, and we see these crops are the corn. Okay, Dorothy is a girl. Her pet name is dog and scarecrow. Scarecrow is the human-shaped figure that is used to scare birds and animals from crops. To save the crops from birds and animals, usually farmers put scarecrow. Now, the whole story depends on meeting between two characters. Both of them want something and decided to travel together. The scarecrow has been put on field on farmer in order to scare away birds so that they do not eat the crops. And Dorothy helps the scarecrow to get down from the pole. Actually, Scarecrow here, Scarecrow tied from pole, and Dorothy helps Scarecrow to get down from the pole. So, and then she encouraged him to go Emerald City. Basically, Emerald City, a town of Australia, and to ask the Great Oz for brain. Now in this picture we clearly see in return Scarecrow helps Dorothy to climb her basket. In return Scarecrow helps the Dorothy to climb her basket. In this way both characters and both are helping each other. And we can say easily both characters are kind in nature. Okay, now the whole story, the summary of whole story I told you. Now the moral of the story in my point of view is that everyone should humble, kind to each other, and like Dorothy and Scarecrow, they help each other to save from harm. That's why the moral of the story is that we should help each other. We should make themselves easy. Okay, now underline the difficult words. First difficult words is fence. The meaning of fence is fence. Meaning of fence is R and R or jungla. Here fence is in this picture we clearly see the fence. Dorothy sat on fence. And other difficult words is faded. Faded, we underline all difficult words and then we write the meaning of difficult words. First difficult word is fence. Meaning of fence is R, jungla. Second word is faded. Faded means sukhna, murjhana. Third is boots. Boots is jute. Indeed. Indeed means yakinan. Noted is ungna, jhukao. Noted is the second form of note. Suspect means शक करना, गुमान करना. And secret means राज, भेद, secret. Okay, now Now, the students, you have to read and understand by yourself. I'll tell you the whole story and meaning of difficult words, and then solve these questions by yourself. If you have any problem, ask me. I can explain you again. Okay, thank you.